How to fix Walgreens Balance Reward feature. To fix Walgreens Balance Reward problem, first of all, you must migrate your profile to a newer My Walgreens program. So, first of all, enroll in My Walgreens. You simply have to launch the Walgreens application onto your device or simply launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Walgreens website. Once you're here, visit the online My Walgreens Loyalty Hub to sign up for free. This converts your membership to the modern ecosystem. Now, you have to link legacy accounts. If your old points did not automatically convert into Walgreens Cash rewards, you simply have to navigate to your application profile settings, then confirm your historical phone number and zip code matches your current data exactly. And if your legacy points were entirely forfeited due to account inactivity, you simply have to speak to an agent at the Walgreens Help portal. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.